Shopping malls often host performance shows, acrobats, lucky draws, to pull in crowds and to induce spending. But we believe discerning shoppers deserve something more inspirational. Elements Mall is a curator to different forms of art. This summer we explored sound with our customers. Have you ever imagined that sound could be something else? Flirting with Sound, a live exploration that transformed sound into many art forms. Beethoven never heard his Fifth Symphony, and no one else had seen it until now. We bought out the royalties to Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, and with this music sound wave as a basis, we created a series of unique products. What if you could hang it around your neck? Does it taste as bittersweet as it sounds? Would you like to wear Beethoven's Fifth Symphony? Or fashion it into designer home decor? The event. In the mall, we exhibited all the sound products and even showcased the creative process. Then we invited our shoppers to transform their own sounds into art forms. We invited celebrities to jam with us. They created lots more noise for the event. We transformed sound into an integrated campaign with a truly interactive experience. To promote the event, we created a dedicated mini-site, and online ads combined the idea with interactive gaming.
See my beautiful voice? I love you. Can we win a gold medal?
Everyone could download unique personalized sound waves to their mobile. While other malls reward customers with coupons and discounts, we enrich them with art, personalized collectibles, and thrilling sound and visual stimulation. Flirting with Sound, an integrated interactive campaign crossing the boundaries of art, design, PR and advertising. Embraced and endorsed by media, art lovers and shoppers alike.